Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it is July 14th, 14th video in the hashtag Jelly Postcard Play Challenge with Ceri the Crafter. Okay, here is our background. I love this jelly print. I'm gonna have to definitely try and reproduce it because I have loved using it, and I think this might be the last little bit I have left. So we'll have to see if we can, the thing is they're all unique, so it's pretty hard to reproduce. Okay, I have this ticket with a 14 on it. That is going to go on here. Okay, this is cardstock, so I'm gonna use my art glitter glue. Get that put down. Like so. I'm gonna put it over to this side just a little bit. Okay. And then this one, I decided that I was going to put a little tab on this postcard. So just going to fold that and give it a little around the edges. Okay, and then I'm going to put it square in the middle of my postcard. Like this. Just pop that right there. Okay, then I have this little flower and a little butterfly. I need to, I think that might be cute going up onto that tab a little bit. So let's do that. Then that flower's just going to go there. Get his antlers. Got to get those butterfly antlers. Like so. Grab a little bit of a paper towel there. Okay, and then this little flower. These again are from a scrapbook. I've really been trying to use up my scrapbook paper and ephemera from them. So far so good on that. All right. So there we go. There we go. Let's give it a little bit of a trim here. And a little bit of distress ink, especially on these white places. Okay, there is day 14, July 14th. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.